my dad will.
Hello, hello fans and followers, it is me, Broken Heart YouTube Sensation, and I am here going over to the tracks. They are right over
Behind that?
there, behind that fence. So, I am here with Cute CC2.
Hi guys.
And we are just going to go find some railroad stuff and search around.
Yeah.
Hope you like it. Okay, now we are here. Get ready, set, see? We are just going right there. Now, I'm going to slide right through, just like that. Whoa. Okay, 1 sec. See, we're going to crush some 5 cents over here. And now we're going down. Okay, still going down.
Gotta be careful though.
Hey, Cute CC2, slow down for a second. I need to grab my, here, hold that in video. Don't say anything weird though. I'm really trying to find something right here. Where is it?
Oh, she's just looking for her queen. So, yeah. Pretty much.
Just that?
And what's this? We each have 5 cents that
Okay. Yep, 5 cents.
right here. And we have it on a clip.
And this one is Bagheera's because she couldn't come. She's very, very sick. As you can see, we are now at the train. And we're going to lay down some pennies. I'm laying mine and Sierra's down. Bagheera's over here. Hurry up and lay yours beside ours. Okay. Okay, 1 second, I need to... Okay. Now we're just gonna be waiting there. See, all 3 is lined up. There we go. Now, if you can't tell, we are over by the train. And we're gonna show you some crazy good artwork. So we got some crazy good artwork over here. My personal favorite is this one right here. Pretty long, hey? Whoa, just almost tripped. Oh, and I almost tripped again. Okay, now we're gonna find some chisels. Like railroad parts, as I said at the start of the video. Now this is gonna be a big YouTube sensation. And if you wanna help us find some really good stuff, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
I got 5.
Wow, where did you find those? See? I'll put it down in the description how much me and Cute CC2 found. Okay, stop finding so many. Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. We need 1 more to split it evenly.
Okay. I'll be keeping my eyes out.
Oh, found it.
Okay.
Here you go. I'll just put them in here.
Okay. We're gonna take our quick leap over and go back up the hill. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to take a little sit down and get these into my bag, which just fell all out. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, here's the left of the floor. Oh, careful. 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can put mine in
Okay.
as much as I can.
Oh. Hurry. Okay, we're just putting all those chisels in. Don't forget to close it. And you don't forget to subscribe. Got that? Oh. Yep. That's a heavy bag, like 10 pounds.
Hey, they're chisels. They're perfectly cool. Oh, see, look at these.
Yeah. See, you can see the ones that are have fallen out. See, the chisels are right here. You can see the ones that are fallen out and stuff. Holy. Oh, 1 second. I think I just died. Oh, I'm back. Okay, now we're gonna go back up.
As you can see, that's like a sewer area.
That's like a sewer area. Doesn't stink, but.
I see a shoe in there. It's a blue and white shoe.
Oh, that's a baby shoe in there. Can you guys see it? Right there.
The blue and yellow thing.
Yep.
Here, I'll show you by throwing a stick at it. Okay, I'll have to go on the other side there.
I'll just put my bag down, okay? Don't touch it.
Okay,
And I'll go
right there. It's right on top.
here.
My stick.
Let me just go down a bit. Oh, buttload of mud. Oh my God. Oh my God. You can barely see it. Oh my God. That's like so not good.
There's grass sticking to it.
Guys. Sierra, come here.
She just got stuck in mud.
That's not good. My mom's gonna find out, and then she'll know that we went there.
Well,
Guys, we're gonna end this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.